Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Canva to build accessible web hero sections. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open Canva and log into your account. Click on the Create a Design button. Select custom size for your web hero section, typically 1920 by 1080 pixels. Once the canvas opens, choose a background color that aligns with your brand. Keep accessibility in mind by ensuring there is enough contrast between the background and text. Now, add a text box by clicking on the text option in the sidebar. Choose a clear, legible font. Use a minimum font size of 24 points for readability. Type in your heading and adjust its position on the canvas. Next, include a subheading to provide additional context or information. Ensure that all text is aligned correctly for a clean look. To enhance accessibility, limit the number of different fonts to 2 or 3 across the design. Click on elements in the sidebar to add shapes or icons. Choose elements that complement your text without overwhelming it. Ensure that icons and images are appropriately sized for visibility. Add a call to action button by selecting the Shapes option. Customize the button with contrasting colors and clear text like Learn More or Get Started. To add images, click on the Uploads tab. Upload images that are relevant and inclusive for your audience. Place the images strategically to draw attention without cluttering the design. Use alternative text for images, describing their content for screen readers. Once your hero section is assembled, review the layout for balance and visual appeal. Save your work frequently by clicking on the File menu and selecting Save. When satisfied with your design, click on the Download button to export your hero section. Choose the appropriate file format, usually PNG or JPEG. Finally, ensure your design is responsive by testing its appearance on different devices. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.